castings. They'll have a casting block that'll make 100 Matchbox cars at a time. Maybe we just make that real big.
After years of wild rumors, Reddit leaks, and those blurry factory spy shots, Elon Musk just announced what might be the most disruptive product since the original iPhone. Do you remember Musk's own words? "I think our strategy of providing the best product at a competitive price is going to be a winner," he said. And that's why we're still focused on bringing cheaper models to market as soon as possible. Well, that promise is finally becoming real. Tesla Model 2 is officially launching at a price that couldn't be lower, under $10,579 United States dollars. Let that sink in. A fully electric Tesla, connected by satellite, with autonomous driving, and it costs less than a used Chevy Bolt EV. In this video, you'll discover exactly how Tesla engineered the Model 2's revolutionary design, the secret behind their breakthrough battery tech that slashes costs without cutting safety, and how this one car could unleash a global transportation revolution with its Robotaxi integration. Plus, I'll reveal Tesla's big-picture plan for 2025 to 2026 that might change everything forever. If you're ready to see automotive history in the making and want to stay one step ahead, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Right now we're racing toward 1,000 subscribers and would love for you to join the Auto Intel community. Ready? Let's go. Have you ever wondered how Tesla turns all those big ideas into reality? Let's talk about that. When Tesla engineers sat down to design the 2026 Starlink Model 2, they weren't just creating a new electric vehicle, they were tackling a puzzle most car makers thought was impossible. Could you deliver all of Tesla's premium innovation at a price point that feels like a fantasy? The answer lies in Tesla's revolutionary engineering that transforms cutting-edge tech into an affordable product through smart, precise design. And it all starts with that gorgeous exterior. The Model 2's design embodies Tesla's minimalist style with real purpose. Its length is about 3.9 meters, making it nearly half a meter shorter than the Model 3. What does that mean in real life? Think about squeezing into a tight spot in New York City or slipping through busy streets in London or Sydney. This car is built for the dense, crowded streets of Europe and Asia, where every bit of space is a premium. Do you live in a big city? Wouldn't that make parking and driving so much easier? Let me know what you think in the comments. And Tesla's SpaceX and Cybertruck DNA? It's everywhere! The Model 2's bold front face carries Tesla's visual signature with those distinct T-shaped LED headlights designed not just for style, but to help older drivers see better at night. Does your current car do that? Tesla's designers didn't stop there. The body is crafted from high-strength steel and coated with Tesla Energy Lab's revolutionary plasma shield, making it scratch-resistant and so much cheaper to maintain. Internal data even shows a 19% jump in aerodynamic efficiency compared to the current Model 3. Manufacturing time per car? Cut by 27%. Even the number of exterior components? Slashed by 18%. Tesla is making affordability a reality without losing any of that premium feel. Pretty amazing, right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more deep dives like this one. We're pushing toward 1,000 subscribers together. Now let's move inside, because Tesla's strategy here is genius. The interior of the Model 2 shows Tesla's surgical cost-cutting skills. You still feel luxury without paying extra for complexity. The 13-inch central touchscreen is slightly smaller than the 15-inch one in the Model 3, which saves serious money, but you don't lose Tesla's tech leadership. Plus, there's an elder-friendly mode that simplifies the interface into 4 big buttons: Drive, Call, Map, and Home. Pretty clever, isn't it? Tesla built this after listening to thousands of drivers on forums and in product tests. Have you ever struggled with too many buttons in a new car? Tesla did their homework. They also added smart posture seat tech that adjusts automatically to your height and spine curvature. That research came straight from the Stanford Robotics Lab. No more fussing with levers or dials. The car just knows what's comfortable for you. The glass is 97% UV resistant to protect your skin, and Tesla's Clean Air 360 system even uses UVC light and a steam generator to sanitize the cabin. That means this car is not just affordable, it's perfect for shared rides, young families, or people with respiratory issues. Would you appreciate that in your next car? Drop a yes or no in the comments. And Tesla's focus on cost savings goes even deeper. A single-screen interface saves Tesla up to $800 per unit. Integrated wireless charging gets rid of cables. Sustainable fabric options cost 30% less than traditional leather. Tesla listened to their customers, especially people earning under $30,000 per year. They're making sure affordable doesn't mean stripped down. From 2023 to 2024, Tesla learned these lessons by simplifying the Model 3 and Model Y, removing 11 not-essential features to pass the savings straight to the Model 2. That's real innovation for real people. And here's the question you probably have on your mind. What about the battery? Would this car even matter if the battery wasn't safe, long-lasting, and affordable? Tesla didn't just improve a few cells, they rebuilt the battery from scratch. Ready for a shocker? Tesla's secret aluminum-ion battery called Gen 1 is changing the game. Charges from 10 to 80% in just 9 minutes. That's faster than most phones. The lifespan? Over 10,000 full cycles, around 1.5 million miles before any serious wear. Imagine driving across the country and back a few dozen times without worrying. And the cost? Lithium-ion batteries typically cost $137 per kilowatt hour. Tesla already dropped that to $18 with their 4,680 cells. But aluminum-ion hits an unbelievable $60 per kilowatt hour, nearly half Tesla's current industry-leading rate. Plus, aluminum-ion eliminates the need for cobalt and lithium entirely. That means fewer import fees, less shipping, and a 15% drop in logistics costs. Amazing, right? Are you as shocked as I am that Tesla is making this kind of tech affordable? Let me know in the comments. And there's more. Tesla plans to manufacture these batteries using recycled aluminum at Giga, Texas, taking sustainability to a whole new level. Battery pack costs could drop to $6,000. That's one big reason this car can cost under $10,600. What's even better? Aluminum-ion batteries don't catch fire, they don't explode, and they emit zero toxic gases if damaged. Plus, they work perfectly in extreme heat or freezing cold. Tesla even expects a 99.8% recyclability rate. How's that for responsible innovation? Tesla's 2025 Battery Day could be their most important one yet. Would you feel safer knowing your EV can't catch fire? Say yes or no in the comments. And don't forget Tesla's grand plan with Robotaxis. It goes way beyond driving. Tesla built the Model 2 as part of a global transportation network. Powered by Starlink satellite coverage, it'll drive itself anywhere. Yes, even where cell service doesn't exist. Tesla's Level 4 Autonomy will use Dojo 2.0 self-driving chips trained on 54 million miles of real-world data. Would you let a self-driving Tesla pick you up in a small town or on a remote road? Pretty crazy to think about. And this car can do more than drive itself. It can make money. When you're not using it, the Model 2 can join Tesla's Robotaxi fleet, earning up to $5,000 per year. Could this be a new side hustle for you? Tesla plans to deploy 2 million cybercabs by 2027, making urban streets less congested and reducing pollution. Tesla believes up to 15% of affordable car sales could come from this segment. Would you jump in as a passenger in one? Drop your thoughts below. Here's why all this matters. Tesla's making electric, autonomous, and connected mobility available to millions of everyday people, not just early adopters or wealthy buyers. Tesla is transforming the car into an affordable, sustainable income source and a safe, spacious family vehicle all at once. Every detail from design to manufacturing, from materials to software, is carefully engineered to deliver premium Tesla innovation at a price that finally feels realistic. And that's the bottom line. Tesla's Starlink Model 2 won't just be another car. It will make traditional car ownership look outdated overnight. Does this sound like the future you want to live in? If you're as excited as I am, hit that subscribe button and help us reach 1,000 subscribers so we can keep bringing you deep dives into the most important Tesla updates. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy a Model 2? Would you trust a Tesla Robotaxi? Thanks for watching Auto Intel. I'm Danny, and I'll catch you in the next one.